Today, we will discuss JetBrains AI and Copilot. Both are created to help developers by producing code snippets, finishing lines of code, and even proposing complete functions. Both aim to deliver context-sensitive recommendations which involve examining the adjacent code and project details to provide more pertinent and precise support. Both tools seek to minimize the time and effort needed to finish coding tasks, thus optimizing the overall development process. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Microsoft Copilot is an all-encompassing AI project that incorporates generative AI throughout the Microsoft ecosystem with the goal of boosting user productivity in different applications. Fueled by sophisticated large language models such as GPT-4, it offers help with tasks including document creation and data analysis in Microsoft 365, code generation via GitHub Copilot, and general support for Windows 11. This extensive integration aims to establish a cohesive AI experience, optimizing workflows and enabling users to enhance their efficiency in everyday activities. JetBrains AI enhances developer productivity within JetBrains IDEs through deeply integrated context-aware assistance. It provides intelligent code completion, generation, and analysis, aiding in refactoring, testing, and debugging. By leveraging the IDE's understanding of project structure and coding style, JetBrains AI delivers precise suggestions, aiming to simplify and accelerate the entire development workflow. If you're heavily invested in the JetBrains ecosystem and value deep contextual integration, JetBrains AI is a strong contender. If you prioritize broad compatibility and rapid code generation, Microsoft Copilot is a compelling choice.